Okay. And guys, let's learn some more jobs of print because you will see print in whole of your projects in future, whole of this course. You will see print a lot. So let's see what print can do more. Print can only print simple text for us, like this. That one we get. And it can show us value of variables. For example, AS1, BS2, print A, and print B. Here we go. I ask for value of A, print give me 1. Here. I ask for value of B, it give me value of B. Because we didn't use this. Okay? If we use that, I can also use it like this to understand it more, like A is, and don't forget this, and print. See, you can understand this much more than this. Why? Because I use some text here to show me what's one, where it came from. Okay, in another way that print can help us is like this. In ifs and also in for loops and while and in everything you will see print is our angel that will help us. For example, if you say we have A and B, okay? I will say if A is smaller than B, then print for me A is bigger. Why you lie to me? It's not like this, it's smaller, sorry. See? If we say else, print A is bigger, which is not. See, it say A is smaller because we have this one. If else, we will get it in another lesson, but I only wanted to tell you about print part. Don't get this, like, don't be scared. I will teach you all this. For example, if we have a value as a string, and if we have a number, even if we have a float, it's no problem. Age 2. Someone has 2 ages, wow. 100.5. And also see, it has no problem. It will just help you, like, show you value of everything you wanted. That is it. Okay, guys, it was our print. If you have any question, you can write in comment and I will hopefully help you. And I will see you in next tutorial. See ya.